What is your name? What is your name? Shalshududi. Shalshududi. My name is Gadwich. My name is Gadwich. Shalshuda Gadwich. Shalkashuda Gadwich. Which bag is yours? Which bag is yours? A bag in the ladungduma. A bag in the ladungduma. The red one is mine. The red one is mine. Mendara jendungda. Mendara jendungda. Which pencil is his? Which pencil is his? Arashajan de ladungdama. Arashajan de ladungdama. Ken kawargani. These are papers. Ken kawargani. These are papers. Angugorimo. Angugorimo. What do you want? What do you want? Angoro gubai shaker. Angoro gubai shaker. I want cup of tea. I want cup of tea. Jenongunokomo. Jenongunokomo. What does he like? What does he like? Jenokonebun. Jenokonebun. He likes coffee. He likes coffee. What is that? Anguanamo. That is a pencil. Namo egalam. What is this? Name engu. This is a pencil. Name egalam jat. What are these? Titikanguni. What are these? Titikanguni. What is that? Anguanamo. That is a pencil. Namo egalam. What is this? Name engu. This is a pencil. Name egalam jat. What are these? Titikanguni. What are these? Titikanguni. Lotanga. Wus edunga. Why engu. Odi. How idi. What ngu. What ngu. Which Mendian. Which Mendian. When. Nay. When. Nay. Where. Guamis. Where. Guamis. Who. Nga. Who. Nga. My. Dungda. Our. Dungda. Your. Dungdu. Your. Dungdu. Her. Nyame. Her. Nyame. Where can I find a Agwasiliende Jacksino? Doctor. Kimke doctor. Hospital. Dwellwell. Medical center. Guatante Walton. I am sick. Antajwe. I need a doctor. Angora Kimke doctor. It hot here. Guadame Jenbesho. Fever. Lead point. Malaria. Lerocon or malaria. Headache. Backwitch. Diarrhea. Wurar. Vomiting. Nguk. I lack. Annaka. Food. Kwan. Hot. Tillet. Water. Pew. Hot water. Pew tillet. Drinking water. Pew mat. Soda. Pew denawal or soda. Beer. Beer. Kekwan. Milk. Chuck. Meat. Ring. Chicken. Manpalak. Fish. Rich or rich. Beef. Ring. Young. 10. Well. 11. Welcome. 12. Wero. 20. Jandangro. 21. Jandangro Widekel. 30. Jandyok. 40. Janwan. 50. Jandiech. 60. Janbakel. 70. Janbaro. 80. Janbadak. 90. Janbangwan. 100. Kor. 200. Kuro. How are you today? wedi keji and wale. I am good, thanks, and you? And wagwa, chiloida test, kejin. What do you do? Emula ladumo. I am a teacher. What about you? And gadwil gora, kejin. Can you speak English well? De rachagwa katuk English. I am still improving, but I can manage. And ngoda, kwalingishni, roda, dungu de long. What is your plan for the weekend? Angu, trialakamo kakwinini longa. Just chilling at home and watching some movie. Bedechang kabaguch ke movie. Do you like coffee or tea? Jinokani bun ke shai. Map. Ture. Wishmon. Universe. Wishmon. Space. Nyal. Ash. Pin. Soil. Moon. Water. Pew. Body. Point. Bodies. Point. Climate. Jump. Well. Wishmon. Well. Wishmon. Map. Tura Wishmon. Universe. Wishmon. Space. Nyal. Earth. Pin. Soil. Moon. Water. Pew. Body. Point. Bodies. Pine. Climate. Jump. Well. Wishmon. Yogurt. Yogurt. Not. Butter. Butter. Lead. Salt. Kade. Sugar. Toker. Cheese. Latkaja cannot. Cheese latkaja cannot. Saying hello. Ler malaka. Hello, how are you? Male, tedi keji. Fine, thanks. Male migwa, chiloy the test. Hello, how are you doing? Male, tedi keya. Fine, thanks. And you? Mal migwa, chiloy the test. Kejin. She reads, she learned. Lajana Quen, Lajana Gor. You read, she learn. Layena Quen, Layena Gor. He reads, he learn. Lajana Quen, Lajana Gor. They read, they learn. Lakena Quen, Lakena Gor. Friend. Math. Friends. Masni. Student. Gadwil Gora. Students. Gadwil Gora. Teacher. Nich. Lamb. Dodel. In. Ngot. Pelag. Cock. Tooth pelag. Chicken. Doe pelag. Calf. Doe young. Sheep. Ram. Donkey. Mule. Horse. Jogtorok. Camel. Tarol. Dog. Jok. Cat. Meow. ox. Thok, cow. Young, goat. Del, dog. Jok, cat. Meow, ox. Thok, cow. Young, goat. Del, sheep. Ram, donkey. Mule, mule. Aras, jok torok. Camel, torol. Lamb, dodel. Hen, ngod man pelag. Cock, tood man pelag. Chicken, do man pelag. Calf, do yang. Bitch, ngod jok. What, ngu. Which, Indian. When, nay. Where, gwa emis. Wu, nga. What, ngu. Which, Indian. When, nay. Where, gwa emis. Wu, nga. Ngu, what. Indian. Which, nay. When, gwa emis. Where, nga. Wu. Follow for more. Opposite to bang. Nyamduel tawo yone. Is next to me. Jen gureneha. A map of Ethiopia. Tura which Ethiopia. He came from India. Jen beke India. He went to office. Jen chawaka muktaf. Opposite to bang. Nyamduel tawo yone. Is next to me. Jen gureneha. A map of Ethiopia. Sura which Ethiopia. He came from India. Jen beke India. He went to office. Jen chawaka muktaf. The student is in the class. Gadwil gora jare class. He went out. Chakaj rar. He is inside the office. Jen tere muktapa. He is outside the office. Jen terar muktapa. Above 30 degrees centigrade. Tenyam ka centigrade ti jandiok. Tenyam ka centigrade ti jandiok. The student is in the class. Gadul gora jare class. He went out. Chakajrar. He is inside the office. Jen tere muktapa. He is outside the office. Jen terar muktapa. Above 30 degrees centigrade. Jen tenyam ka centigrade ti jandang diok. From, ka, to, toward, way, around, what, with, care. Opposite, lot, to, next to, geka, of, for, ke, by, ke. Blue, pink, under, pink, dora, behind, jok, in front of, nyam dora, beside, geka. One more time. Blue, pink, under, pink, behind, jok, in front of, nyam, beside, geka. In, ray, out, rar, inside, redora, outside, radora, above, nyal. One more time. In, ray, out, rar, inside, redora, outside, radora, above, nyal. I myself, and pointer. We ourselves, con pointan. You yourself, jin pointu. You yourself, jin pointu. She herself, jen pointe. I am not. Shehan. We are not. Shikakon. You are not. Shejin. You are not. Shejin. She is not. Shejin. You are not. Shikayen. He is not. Shejan. They are not. Shikakan. I am not a teacher. Shiangich. We are not teachers. Shikakongich. You are not a teacher. Shejingich. You are not a teacher. Shejingich. She is not a teacher. Jen Shengich. You are not a teacher. Shikayengich. He is not a teacher. Jen Shengich. They are not teachers. Ken Shikangich. I was. Shian. We were. Shinei. You were. Shijin. You were. Shijin. She was. Shijin. Shijan. She was. Shijan. You were. Shiyan. He was. Shijan. They were. Shikan. I was a teacher. Shan konangich. We were teachers. Chinay konangich. You were a teacher. Chijin konangich. You were a teacher. Chijin konangich. She was a teacher. Chijan konangich. You were a teachers. Chijan konangich. He was a teacher. Chijan konangich. They were teachers. Chikan konangich. I was not. Kanhan. We were not. Kanne. You were not. Kanjin. You were not. Kanjin. She was not. Kanjan. You were not. Kanyan. He was not. Kanjan. They were not. Kanyan. I was not a doctor. Kanan kona doctor. We were not doctors. Kane kona doctori. You are not a doctor. Kanjin kona doctor. You were not a doctor. Kanjin kona doctor. She was not a doctor. Kanjan kona doctor. You were not doctors. Kenyan kona doctori. He was not a doctor. Kenyan kona doctor. Kenyan kona doctor. They were not doctors. Ken kona doctori. My dungda. Our dungda. Your dungdu. Your dungdu. Her nyame. Your dungdun is gare. Their dungdien. My book. Bugda. Our book. Bugda. Your book. Bugdu. Your book. Bugdu. Her book. Bugde. My book. Bugda. Our book. Bugda. Your book. Bugdu. Your book. Bugdu. Her book. Bugda. I. Han. We. Kon. You. Jin. You. Jin. She. Jen. Tine nti gwasame. Ngajin odi. Ka Thok Nath ken Thok English. Ta danan gwar ka ngwa kaja. Shade. Ko odi. Micho I gwadon. Lundu hen. I hen. We. Kon. You. Jin. You. Jin. She. Jen. F me shunga ka gwat. female ala ngot me shunga ka gwat male ala wood enono wo kon go nyam gwat me ni de den ne me shale you p ala me plural lo nungo de yen you yen e lo ni jen they lo ni can they can anyo gwat me you yen he jen they can ukon ka wonyam ka do badana de kon ngwane de kon ka ngai keja ukon kam de diena me to kon ka de kon ka ngai mishawo I am a hen we are ka kon you are a jin you are a jin she is a jen ke jen she me roje ke kwi shek ke kwi nyal anon benyok kami loje jenyok ban kulu wonyam mishawo I am a hen we are kakon you are a jin you are a jin she is jene fme shunga ka kwi female ala ngot me shunga ka kwi male ala tut bi gorno bi ngajena mo ukon niam gwad me michawe you are ka plural lono kayen you are kayen e is jene e is jene they are kenke they are kenke benyok nyok be chubloidu ka dom ngwa you are kayen he is jene they are kenke ban william nyok kangi andodien made kona ngach gwadme chan jenen I and they can you jin she jen you yen kebni changno michalele p ala lune plural michalele gwadme f lune female jen chikon ladnungu raje ka kwi ngot ka ki ngot dere ngajena mo kon nyam de kon me de ne je kanyok he jen you jin we kon non tem gol no beje tege ja gwasa men ko bi ko understand ko he raje ka kwi nguka he raje ka jen nga wood dol la he raje ka kwi wood ka ki kwi dol misha we you dodongu jin ala me chunga kwinka chunga kwimelka ala tut misha we lonu kon shalade shale we eno bana we wonyam rengi ka dan me gwada me to kon kedishal ke phrase to kon ka ngai gwada me mishi wenene I am a teacher and need I am a teacher and need we are teachers ka kon ngech we are teachers ka kon ngech you are a teacher a jin need 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 she is a teacher jen a need she is a teacher jen a need wana nyam gwada mane you are teachers ka yen ngech you are teachers ka yen ngech he is a teacher jen a need he is a teacher jen a need they are teachers ken kengech they are teachers ken kengech wana nyam ko dob dande kon me de kon ngai keja